So in this video lesson we are looking in the chords of Hoovina Baanadanthe. So the originally it is done in F major key. So I am putting capo on the 3rd fret. So we are doing with a D chord progression. But for the event we are putting on the 2nd fret. We are doing in the E major. But you want to practice with the track, so put it to the capo on the 3rd fret and do the same chord. So the first humming part will go with the D, and we have D major 7 with us too. So you have one full D major progression, and then we go to that, then back to D. So the rhythm is down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, up, down, down, down. So we gotta do that 2 times, and we just hold the D again. So once again, D major. Sorry. We got to do 2 progressions. Then the vocal comes in, so that is we are doing with the D major and D sus2. So if you know D major, just lift the 2nd finger on the 1st string, so you keep that 1st string open. So okay, so now we have this progression. So we D and D sus2 for 4 times. So you'll have down, 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 up. So lift that finger, 2nd finger on that. So down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down. So you hold that for E minor. So we go G. So D half there, G half. So then we hold on E minor. So 1, 2, 3, 4 single strum. So then again the humming part comes. Then again we go back to that first progression. And again now verse progression. Hoovina Baanadanthe. So we have now D, D sus2, D, D sus2, again D, then D sus2. Now we have a progression here. We have G, B minor, F sharp minor. So we have D, G, B minor, then we have F sharp minor. So that progression we got to split that one with the. So I'll play 2 parts of D and D sus2. Then G, then B minor, then F sharp minor. So now here rhythm goes like down, 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 up. So you got to shift there. Down, 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 up, up. Then we go this B minor, down, 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 up, up. So you got to go F sharp minor. So down, 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 up, down, 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 up. B minor, down, 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 up. You got to shift to F minor. So we go D. Times. Now we go E minor. So E minor, then we hold end on D. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. So E minor you just go like 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Again back to humming. Okay, then we'll hold D major progression for 4 bars as like an instrumental. Then we have verse section. So we have a D chord for 2 bars. So we have D for 2 bars. Then we have G, G, B minor, F sharp minor, then back to D. So D. So this is Saladu part, that one. So So again we split that chords there. So G, B minor, F sharp minor, D, G, B minor, sorry once again, G, B minor, F sharp minor, D major. So after 2 bars of D and G, B minor, F sharp minor, D, it goes to, we have D for 2 counts and G for 2 counts, then again G for 2 counts and D for 2 counts. So it goes like this. 2 times. Okay, so that's your D, down, down. We go to G, up, up, then we shift that. Then again we play down, 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 up on D. So we reverse that. Hold on D, then we go E minor. So we have that D for 1 bar, then we have E minor for 1 bar, again D for 1 bar, then E minor, then we go D. So then again the humming part comes. Again for verse 2 you can use the same chord. So D, D, then we have that G, B minor, F sharp minor, then back to D. So then again D, G, G, D, then we have D, E minor, D,